Already na. Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna do activity that for me it's really fun. I'm gonna try my new grass cutter. So it's the first time that I'm gonna use this. I'm so excited to try it. It's like I'm always excited to try it, but now it's the time to try it. I'm gonna try cutting the grass. For me it's really fun. So I will enjoy, and let's go. Let's clean the yard. That's my activity today, cleaning the yard. So I'm gonna show you the yard that I have to clean. There are lots of grass there. So for today's activities, guys, this is all I need. The tutti oil and the Sprite. So these are the things that I need to do my activity today. I don't know if this is fun for other people, but for me, doing this, it's really fun and it's amazing. For me, it's a stress reliever. So i-mix ni siya ang tutti oil, i-mix sa gasoline. So I already put oil na in this container. Now I'm gonna put the gasoline and then mix it. So this is a container to mix. Whoa, smells good. It's a Sting energy drink. So 500 ml. It's not yet 500 ml. Oh my goodness. I thought gasoline it's hot, but it's very cold. Still in my hand. So I have to mix this. Mix. Shake it. Sting with oil. So it's all done. So now I'm gonna pour this there. Yeah, I'm i-zoom in. I-zoom in dahil. So mao na ni. We're gonna put this inside. So there's a filter di ay. So this one is a filter. So hindi na to nakuhaon. I think this is enough to clean all the yard. I'm gonna put one lang siya. O, diba? Perfect. So, it's very hot today. I think I needed some hot. Okay. So, this is the yard that I'm gonna clean. As you can see, there are many grass growing. Someone is getting the hinay-hay kay mahugaw. So, getting all the clothes so that it will not get dirty, because we're going to cut all of this. These are a lot of grass. So this is the whole area that I'm gonna cut the grass. So good thing there's a shadow because it's very hot. Oh, mana akong kuan. I don't think I can own it. It's gonna be hard. Why is it so hard? I'm having a hard time how to turn this thing on. It's hard. It's hard. It's really hard. I hope it will work with me. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, but I don't know why it doesn't work. Maybe there's something wrong in what I do. So, oh my god. Stop. Hello guys, time check. It's 1:25 a.m. So, yesterday I was supposed to do my activity cleaning the yard with a grass cutter, but something was wrong in the on that grass cutter that it needs to fix the recoil starting, like the one that I need to pull to start the grass cutter was broken. So uh I need to open it, but the thing is it's really hard to open because the screw was stuck and it's so hard to open it. And a technician told me that I need to buy a new recoil starter. But I try to open the screw to get the screw, but I hope it really works. I was thinking like maybe I put some penetrating oil, maybe it will help. But I just tried. I really don't know if this really works, but I just want to try it. So now it's 1 a.m. I wanted to spray the the bolt. I want to spray a penetrating oil and soak for like maybe 5 hours to loosen, like if it's connected inside. I want to disconnect it so it will easy to unscrew it because it's really hard. It's stuck there. So it's 1 a.m. and I'm up and I cannot sleep. So instead of forcing myself going to sleep, like even if I force myself going to sleep, I still cannot sleep. So this is one of my problem. Like when I wake up in the middle of the night, I cannot go back to sleep, or sometimes it's so hard to fall asleep. Like it's already 4 a.m. still up. So instead of laying in bed, still awake, so I just do these activities. So I have this penetrating oil. I use this penetrating oil. This is a new one. I remember I have a penetrating oil, but I cannot find it, so I use the new one. So as you can see, it's still very dark because it's 1 a.m. But I'm kind of weird. So this is the part of the mower. This is the mower that you need to fix. Um, this is the one. This is the one that I removed there because it got stuck. It's not working, so I need to fix this. And then the problem is this screw. This screw is really hard to unscrew it. It's stuck in there, so I'm having a hard time to unscrew. So I'm gonna spray this penetrating oil. I'm gonna spray this. Hopefully this will work because I don't want to buy a new one. I don't want to spend more money. I'm saving money because there's a bigger project that I need to do. I hope this really works. So I'm gonna leave this soak until maybe 6 or 7 a.m. Then I'm gonna try to unscrew it again. Hopefully it will work because
I don't want to spend money to buy this part of the grass cutter. And besides, this is brand new. I don't understand why it gets so broken so fast. And also, this is a good brand. It's made from Japan. So hopefully it will work. Just hoping.
Guys, I feel so happy because it really works. Look at this, is really working right now. See? It's working now, so I feel like I'm gonna I fix it. So the thing is, it won't like it won't really go in. It's supposed to be like fully get like this, but at least it's working. It's working. See?
Now this made me realize that if you really want to do the thing, you can learn it. So this is really proof that I can do things that I wanna do as long as you have a heart and mind doing it.
It's very nice.
So guys, I wasn't really expecting that from the excitement that I'm gonna do the grass cutter. I'm gonna cut the grass with the grass cutter. It turns out that it was broken and it didn't work. So I tried to fix it. I was so happy because I thought it fixed, but it does not last long. So I really need to buy a new one. The thing is, I don't want to spend money for that thing because in my mind, I already have planned to save up money to do another project, a bigger project than a grass cutter. But I think I don't have a choice but to buy a new one because it's broken. So anyway guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribing yet. So bye bye.